This is one of our 302 Ford Turnkey engines from the enginefactory.com here. As you can see, this engine is a completely powder coated setup here. We do make it available. You can get any color you want, powder coated, the valve covers, intake manifold, air cleaner, water pump. But this is one of our examples again of this is the it has a real nice original look. So if you want to run, we're running Edelbrock aluminum heads on there with the Edelbrock intake manifold, and if you do not want the regular aluminum finish, this is a real nice choice here. And again, everything is, this is the Ford Blue. It's a real nice glossy baked on powder coated finish. Will last for years and years. So this is the available new finish we have.